Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with another video. In this video we'll see how to claim a free matic token without doing any task or without paying any transaction fees and without referring anyone. You will get a free matic token in a wallet. Before that, if you're new to our channel, then please go and subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell notification button. It's totally free, you don't have to pay for it. And please do watch our videos. We make a airdrop, how to claim a free airdrop related videos, and newly released coin and exchanges, and how to do a KYC on exchanges. So do check our videos. Here we can see that at present the matic is in $1.67 for per one matic. You can see this price rate in coingecko.com. And let's see how to claim a free matic. For the just just open a Kiwi browser and just come for this site. I will give this site link in this video description, as well as in our Telegram channel. If you cannot come from a video description link, then just come to our Telegram channel and join our Telegram channel. Just tap on a link and you will redirect to that site. Once you come here, just click on a connect. Then it will connect your MetaMask account, and make sure you have added an extension of an MetaMask on your Kiwi browser. Once you tap on a MetaMask extension, it will open up like this. Here we have to put our password of a MetaMask. And if you don't know how to add a MetaMask account to your Kiwi browser, then I have shown the method how to add a MetaMask extension to a Kiwi browser in this video. It's a Mars token airdrop video. In this video, I have shown completely with detail how to add a MetaMask extension to your Kiwi browser. So do watch this video. I will give this video link in this video description, as well as in our Telegram channel. Just to watch it if you don't know how to add a MetaMask extension to Kiwi browser. Once you add a MetaMask extension to your Kiwi browser, then tap on it, or tap on this three dot, and just scroll down. Here you can see the MetaMask extension. Just tap on it. After that, it will open up like this. Welcome back. I already log into my MetaMask account, so it is showing welcome back. So here we have to enter our password. I will enter my password, and once you enter your password, just click on unlock. Once you click on unlock, just a person updated for the promises. Once you click on unlock, it will open up like this. It's opened a phantom operator because last time we claimed our airdrop with the phantom network. Here you can see we got a 15,500 Mars token. And in this video, we have to create a operator of matic. So that just click on this, tap on a custom RPC. Once you tap on a custom RPC, you will get this type of interface. Here we have to enter a network name, on new RPC URL, and the chain ID, and the currency symbol, and the block explorer URL. All the details here we have to fill. I will give in our Telegram channel. Just come and join our Telegram channel. Here I will share details where we have to insert over there. Just copy those details from here. Just copy those link. Just copy those details, and just come and paste it over here. And same for all. Just copy from here and paste it over here. I will quickly insert all the details. Once you enter all the details, just click on a save. Once you click on a save, you will get the matic operator. Just tap on it. Once you tap on a matic operator, you will get this type of interface. You can see the zero matic. After that, just come back to your matic supply page. Just click on a connect. Once you click on a connect, then just come back to your MetaMask account. Just reload it once. After that, you will get connect with the MetaMask from that matic supply site. After that, you will get this type of pop-up, and just tap on next, and after this just tap on connect. Then matic will be connected to your MetaMask account. After that, just go back to your matic supply. Here you will see the receive button. Before that, it was showing like a connect button. That means you have successfully connected your matic account to a matic.supply. After that, just click on I am human. Then it will open a capture page. Here we have to select a bicycle. Just select a bicycle. After that, click on verify. Once you click on verify, it will verify you that you are a human. Here you can see that the balance is totally zero. I don't have any matic in my wallet. Just click on receive. Once you click on receive, it will load, and here you can see that I got a 0.001 matic token in my wallet. Here you can see the balance is 0.001, and before that it was on a zero. If you have any doubt, and please go rewind it and watch. It was a 00, and we get a 0.001 matic for a free. You can claim for 3 times per day, so don't miss this chance. Here we will getting a free matics. Matics will be used for any other transaction phase, so don't miss this. If we get any airdrop related to our matics, then we have to pay some transaction fees or some amount. Then this matic will be used, so don't miss this. On that time, on the airdrop time you don't have any matic, then you may not be claimed. So if we get any matic related airdrop, we can use this matic to claim airdrop, and don't miss this opportunities. So if you like this video, please give a like, and if you didn't like this video, and give a dislike and mention you why didn't like this video, and your one like give me a motivation to do such a videos. And if you give a like, then YouTube will mention that it's an informative and good video, so that it will promote our videos, and it will suggest other people. So please give a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button. And for a quick update, join our telegram channel. Here I give a quick update about 8 and more. If you have not joined it, please go and join. Yeah, I can see that I shared so many airdrops related, because everything cannot be done in a video. So for a quick update, do join our telegram channel. The channel link also in description, so do join for a quick update. Thank you for watching. Peace.